This is the Topdon J2534, and guys, this is one of the best tools that I've ever used. Check this out, guys. Topdon just sent me this tool to review for you guys. Like I said, this is one of the best tools that I've used so far. A lot of people are wondering what is this and what it does. Well, this thing right here is just a game changer. So I don't know if you heard about the pass-through interfaces that a lot of manufacturers use to program vehicles. These are basically aftermarket part, like a protocol aftermarket. Instead of using the original equipment, which costs, I would say, thousands of dollars for each manufacturer, like Nissan, Ford, Chevrolet, all of them have their own pass-through interfaces, which cost a lot of money. And well, this thing is a game changer because this thing right here can do all of those for a fraction of the price, because well, this is not $1,000 device. So if you want to go check it out to the website, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below so you can find it on Amazon. And well, I think it's worth if you are doing the business of mobile programming or you're a technician doing your own stuff. Also for a shop is one of those best tools to have. Well, so let's start with this review. Let's start first with the installation of the software, how you use it, and what can you use and why you cannot use. But so far I've used this and it's amazing. Okay, so let's start by opening the package. So this thing came in a wrap and I already took it off so you guys can just see the inside first. And well, the first thing we see is a beautiful box like this, easy to open, just like that. We open it and inside we have a really nice box, as you can see, with the logo Topdon, and it looks like it's been really well made. It looks really good. It feels strong and it doesn't seem like cheap quality box. So we're gonna dispose this away or just take it there. And we have the zipper right here. We're just gonna open it. And the first thing we see the tool right there. So the Topdon tool, protected by this foam, and it looks like it's a really hard foam, not like those foams that you push and it leaves your mark there, but this one looks like it's really well made and really strong to protect your tool from any fall or something hitting it. Okay, so we got this. I'm gonna put it right here, and on the other side we have the connections for your computer. So this is gonna be the C port connection. As you can see, this one has some notches, I guess, to guide it really well and you don't damage the port. So this is a C-type port and it looks like it fits the two sides. It doesn't matter which side you put it on. So that's really good. I really like that because you don't have to find where to put the connection. So if it's anywhere, both sides. Okay, so we're at the cable, and I would say it's long enough. So I would say it's like about 5 feet of length, which is quite some length. And also the other thing you have right here is this DLC extender. So what this thing does is, in case you let's see, you connect it and this thing, you don't want it to hang or something like that, what you can do is just put it right here, connect it, and just leave it placed somewhere so this thing is not hanging, and that way you cannot damage the DLC. So this thing is really good. I like this, and it's very easy to remove. It doesn't feel that hard to take it out. I mean, yep. It looks pretty good. We're gonna power it up and then download the application so you can download the drivers and start using this amazing tool. All right, so Another thing that comes in is the manual, but I think I left it somewhere. I don't remember where I left it, but it's just the manual user. But I don't think you will need that. What you need is a visual use of this, so you can get it quicker. And well, let's go to my computer, let's turn it on and start installing those drivers. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do today is we gotta download the software for the Rlink so you can install it in your computer. And well, how you can do that? Well, you have to go to the website of Topdon, which is topdon.us, and where you find this driver, well, it's actually written in the manual, but I'm gonna show you really quick where you can find it. So you're gonna go on your top right where you see the little finder right here, and you're gonna type in Rlink. So once you type in Rlink, it will pop all the names related to it, and here you have it, Rlink J2534. You click on it and it will send you directly to the website, I mean to its review, or what they call it, the main page for this specific device. As you can see, is around $299 on the website, but if you go in the link in the description, you will find it much cheaper on the Amazon link. So go check it out, and get it guys, so you can help me out, because once you get one of these, I can get a little bit of commission on this. So help me out and get it guys, it's amazing tool. The first thing you're gonna click on is the Rlink platform download. Once you click on that, it will ask you to subscribe and blah 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 blah, but you're gonna download right here. As you can see, it says download for Windows or download for the older versions, the 64-bit. You have two different versions right here, so just download whatever you consider is the best. I downloaded this one and it works good. Okay, so once you install the application, you're gonna open it up. You're gonna see it a little bit different than mine because I already activated the product. But once you open the software and you connect your tool, on yours it will show you that device is not been to the computer or activated. So you need to create an account in order to activate the product. Once you activate it, you're gonna go to drive management, and here you have all the available, actually right here, all the available drivers you can download for this application. It says that you are recommended to download only one driver at a time, but I haven't had any problems. I have two drivers installed with this. Let me just wait because my internet's a little bit slow. Okay, so right here is saying you have a warning right here to prevent inability to connect to the softwares. You get install one software at a time, and I have Ford and GM already installed. Let me show you really quick. Let's open up Forscan and I will show you that this thing is already good. So let's just see the link right here, and as you can see, it's already working, and it shows me if I want to connect to another vehicle right here. So it's gonna start working. As you can see, it's already working on this software for the Forscan. It's really good, really nice tool. You can actually change the connection right here on the software, and I have the Rlink already selected. As you can see, I have multiple BCIs that I've used throughout the time. So we're done with that. Let's exit it out, and then we're going to go to let's see, Techline Connect. So if we connect Techline Connect, I already have this software downloaded, installed, and I think it's up to date. Let me just wait for this software to load. Okay guys, so we see the software already here loading up, and the first thing you see is the connection web to the vehicle. So we're going to select connect vehicle, and it's gonna display a list of all the available devices for this. So before I used to use the CarDock 3 Plus, but now we're going to connect the Rlink, which is right at the bottom. And just watch the light closely. Once we select this, it will start flashing. There you go. So once it starts flashing, that means the connection is already made, and you can see right here J2534 Topdon technology, Rlink version 0.04.04, and well, you see it right there, and it's ready to use. Just do the auto bin detect and you will start working right away with this amazing tool. So we're gonna exit this and let's open up another software. Okay, so now we're gonna open up the Honda diagnostic link, and as you can see, we have this driver all the way to the bottom, the Rlink. We're gonna start, and it's gonna start the software. Once we have the software already loading up, we're going to select the, you can either use the connect to vehicle or you can use the J2534. So this one is to reflash a computer, and this one is to start doing diagnostics using the original software from Honda. As you can see, it's gonna start connecting. It's searching for the device, connecting to the device, already connected, and now it's initializing the connection to the vehicle, but we don't have our vehicle connected yet. So it will probably just throw us to the software, the diagnostic software, but most of the cases it will not. It will just fail because it's looking for a signal. Okay, so right now we have the Honda software, the J2534 pass-through rewriting software. We're just gonna start it. We're gonna hit next, and we'll see if it starts communicating. So it says data link error. Make sure the device is connected. Okay guys, so right here we have the Fords software, and we actually have Explorer, EcoBoost. So I already have the connection made with this software. We just press OK, yes, and as soon as that, it will start recognizing the information from the vehicle. As you can see, it says a new calibration is available, and it says if you want to program it, but I'm just gonna hit no. We just go over here, PCM, and it will start doing again its magic. As you can see, it's already communicating with this. It will just initiate that. No later, a later calibration is available. It says if you want to install it, and well, we're just gonna go back because we are not using this software at all. So the other one I'm gonna show you is the Nissan J2534, which is the NERS program, and I'm going to show you also that it also works on this software. So we press yes. We're gonna select the device, which is the Rlink right here. Next, and we will see a confirmation that the interface is already connected. Connection of the interface is confirmed. Okay, so we already got most of the softwares working. The other one will be YTech, which is the software used for Chrysler, and here you have all your connections at the top left. When you go over there, top left, and number 5 devices right at the bottom, Rlink. And well, right now it's downloading an update, but I already confirmed it, and I used it on other vehicles to program Chrysler. What else? We have TechStream, the famous software for Toyota. It says secure requires no. We're just gonna do no. We're gonna connect to the vehicle, and it says that my license has expired. Oh no. But anyways, I have to buy my license again. But here we have Rlink, and just connect it, and it works. It works, guys. It works. We have also the universal patcher. Let me show you really quick that this one actually works too. So go utilities, read and write. It will be pretty much PCM Hammer. This is a software used for those PCMs. So select device. We have the Rlink, and once I hit read properties, there you go, it starts reading, and it says battery voltage 1.6 volts because it's not connected to another vehicle. So far this tool has been really amazing, guys. With me, it works pretty much with anything. I highly recommend it. Alright, so there you have it, guys. So now we're gonna go and actually use this in a real scenario. So let's go ahead and start working on this 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe that I just got, and they wanted to go and program something for this truck. Okay, so let's go and see if we're gonna be successful. Let's go. Muy bien, pues ya tenemos aquí la herramienta del Topdon. Hoy la vamos a usar. Ahí como lo pueden ver, ahí está en el piso. Topdon. Vamos a usarla en esta que es, Proin, una 20, ¿qué? Esta es una 2025, ¿verdad?
2025.
Esta es una 2025 Chevy Tahoe. Y a ver, Fraín, cuéntame qué le pasó a este carro.
A este carro tuvo un accidente trasero.
Allá atrás.
Una fuerte colisión, y cambiamos un módulo del blind spot.
¿Qué sería este?
Ahora necesitamos que se reprograme de vuelta.
Hay que reprogramarlo porque dice que tiene el software incompatible. Entonces cuando los mandan así, los mandan sin programar, porque pues como es para diferentes modelos de carros, cada modelo de carro es diferente. Y pues vamos a usar la herramienta de Topdon que me mandaron. Pueden encontrar el link en la descripción donde lo pueden conseguir. Es una herramienta muy buena, se la recomiendo. He programado ya Honda, Chrysler, Dodge, es lo mismo, Chevrolet, Ford también. Y aquí están todos los softwares que uso para eso. Y esta es la aplicación Rlink. Esa es la que se usa para descargar los drivers. So today we're gonna program this 2025. This is a Chevy Tahoe. We're gonna reflash the side obstacle module because they replaced it, and well, it doesn't have any programming stored. So we're gonna use the Topdon today. They sent me this tool, so you can find the link in the description so you can get it, and it's really cheap and easy to use. So let's go to the Techline Connect 2. So on this, the software, you have to get this separate. It doesn't come together. Como pueden ver, no viene junto el software del Topdon. O sea, la herramienta no viene junto con el software. Todo esto es separado. Y como pueden ver, pues está sencillo de hacer esto. Nomás tienen que ir a la página de AC Delco, registrarse y crear una cuenta. Es todo lo que tienen que hacer. Y pues pagar la suscripción, ya sea mensual o al año. Y pues ahorita nos vamos a conectar a este vehículo. We're gonna connect to this vehicle, guys. We're gonna use this one, Rlink Topdon. So once I hit continue, I should hear a beep down there. Come on. I think it's connected already. ¿Le puedes dar vuelta? Oh yeah, it's already connected. It already beeped. So that means the green light means it's communicating with the vehicle, and I already got the information here. Como pueden ver, ya se comunicó, ya agarra información. Entonces vamos a ir aquí a SPS 2. Vamos a cargar el software. So the software is gonna load. Everything's by Wi-Fi, and we're gonna select replace and reprogram. Select NES. Ok, so el problema que tenemos ahorita es la luz de colisión. Como pueden ver, ahí está la luz y no se quita. So the light, it's on, it doesn't go away. They already performed calibrations on this vehicle to take most of the lights off. Pero necesitan pues el programa original para poder flashear el módulo con la calibración que debe de llevar. Así que vamos a esperar que esto cargue y ahorita les vamos a decir cuál es la que voy a seleccionar. Ok, so we have the list already. Como pueden ver, ya tenemos la lista y tenemos que escoger el izquierdo. El derecho sería. ¿El derecho o izquierdo? Izquierdo. Ok. Bueno, vamos a ver los dos si tienen calibración. So we're gonna select both. See if those have the same thing. Okay, so is this one side detection control module. So we're gonna hit next. Bueno, the right side is also the same. So es la misma cosa en los dos. So I already selected the side obstacle. So yes, we're gonna proceed continue. We're gonna use a slot. Okay, come on. Leyendo la información. So this takes a while.
Espérame.
Okay, so we get this message, says that the VIN number is different, but that's because it's brand new. So we're gonna select yes, and we have left programming and right programming side obstacle. Okay, so it's the right side. We have an unknown calibration, so it doesn't know what calibration it has. And the left one, I think we have updates, so we're gonna do all those. We're gonna select first the right obstacle. Okay, so we're just gonna hit next on all of them. Okay, so it's gonna program the first one, the right and left. It's already doing it. Says service procedure, special function, and we already see the truck stop the beeping and it's on programming mode. So we just finish. Se apagó sola ahorita. Está haciendo sus movimientos solitos. Ya está programando la ECU. So it's programming the ECU already. Si quieres prende los hazards para que no se vaya a modo sleep. Okay, está bien entonces, es normal. So it's normal, it's not doing anything, it's doing everything by itself. So let's just wait a little bit more and yeah, see what happens. Okay, so one side it's already reprogrammed. Como pueden ver, ya se reprogramó un lado. Ahora sigue el lado derecho. Y vamos a esperar un poquito más también a que empiece a programar ese lado. Como pueden ver, ya lo está programando. Ok, so it's already done. Ya terminó, como pueden ver. Ya borró todo. Entonces vamos a abrir el switch. Puedes abrir el switch. So we can open the switch right now and we're gonna clear the codes. Okay, switch is open and let's clear all the codes. Y como pueden ver, la luz ya se quitó de colisión. So as you can see, the collision light it's already gone. So this tool works amazing. Ya está listo. Entonces vamos a guardar esto para records. Vamos a guardar esto para los records. Alright guys, so as you can see, it passed already. So we don't have any more codes for the side obstacle right side. The only code we have is for the camera and we just need to drive the vehicle. Como pueden ver, ya pasó todo esto, ya no tenemos que hacer nada más. Ya está calibrado todo bien. Ya pasó la calibración, se actualizó todo bien, muy bien. Y pues esto sería todo. Así es como se programa un vehículo 2025 con la herramienta Topdon. Increíble herramienta Topdon que me mandaron para poder enseñársela a ustedes y para que vean que su funcionalidad es increíble. Entonces, si quieren checarla, vean el link en la descripción. Y pues si también les gustó el video, por favor denle un like y nos vemos en el siguiente episodio. Fixado. Bye.